Hello guys, now let's review your previous lesson. Skill times, skills time. Make a card for your mom. Make a card for your mom. 1. Cut a rectangle of card. Fold it in half. Cut a rectangle of card. Fold it in half. My card's yellow. Think about your mom. What does she like? Does she like animals? Does she like sport? Or does she like flowers? Think about your mom. What does she like? Does she like animals? Does she like sport? Or does she like flowers? My mom likes flowers. Draw and color a picture on the front of the card. Draw and color a picture on the front of the card. Purple and orange flowers. Now, open the card. Draw a picture of you with a big smile. Now, open the card. Draw a picture of you with a big smile. This is me. This is me. Write in the card. Write in the card. Dear Mom, thank you for everything you do for me. Then write your name. Give the card to your mom. Give the card to your mom. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you, Ryan. Okay, now let's move on new lesson. Chúng ta sẽ cùng nhau chuyển sang Unit 8 các bạn nhé. What's the time? What's the time? Get up. Get up. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. Go to school. Go to school. Go home. Go home. Have dinner. Have dinner. Go to bed. Go to bed. 1. Let's listen to music. Sorry, we can't. My dad's asleep. Asleep? Yes, he's a doctor. He works at night. He goes to bed at 11 o'clock in the morning. He gets up at 7 o'clock. Hello, girls. What's the time? It's 7 o'clock. Can we listen to music now? Can we listen to music now? Sorry, we can't. My brother has dinner at 7 o'clock. Then he goes to bed. Girls, you can listen to music. Put on these headphones. Thanks, Mom. Ở đây các bạn lưu ý một số từ vựng nhé. Asleep, asleep. Doctor, doctor. Works, works. Works at night. He works at night. Put on these headphones. Put on these headphones. Headphones means tai nghe. Okay? That's all for today. Bye bye guys. Các bạn nhớ tập nhiều nha.